We are finding derivatives, and we're going to kind of work more of the same. So let's look at y is equal to 1 over 2, and this time we're going to do 3 roots of x squared. All right. So you're going to have to freshen up on your algebra. That's what most people, students, actually have problems with, and that's what makes calculus difficult for most people. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out of radical form and rewrite this into exponential form. Alright, so we got the 2 still in the numerator. I'm going to go ahead and put all this stuff in parentheses. We're going to have x, so this is squared, and this is going to be raised. So this is squared. And this whole thing is going to end up being raised to the 1/3, and I think I'm just going to write it like that right there, okay? Now you multiply exponents. 2 times a third is just 2/3. Alright, 2/3. And I think what I'm going to end up doing here is just continuing on to the right with this. So we have 1 over 2, and I guess I'll just do it like this. We have x raised right to the 2/3. Okay, these are the properties of exponents. Now, in order for us to take the derivative, what I'm going to want to do here is take this up into the numerator. We're going to need to take that up into the numerator. All right. We're still rewriting it. Okay. We are still rewriting this. And also I'm going to do something else, is I'm going to take this 1 and this 2, the half, and I'm going to bring that out front. So we have 1/2, and okay, actually I'm going to use that dot operator for multiplication. So we have 1/2, and then, so a lot of times it's just spending a lot of time rewriting. So we take this x, we bring it up into the numerator, and it's going to become negative 2/3. Alright, so now we can go ahead and finally now take the derivative. And now remember, I didn't write this up here, but we want to find y prime. Okay, that's what we want to find, is y prime. Alright, so I'm going to come down through here, say y prime is equal to, now we're going to take the negative 2/3 and bring it out front. So we have the half, and actually I'm going to write this, I'll write the first one in parentheses, and then I'm going to do this dot thing a half times. And then we've got the negative 2/3, that's what we were bringing out front. Actually, I guess I should have put the negative 2/3 out here, but it doesn't matter. It does not matter at all how you want to do that. So we have negative, 2/3. Alright. Okay. And then we have x. Now we're subtracting 1 from the exponent. So negative 2/3 minus 1 is going to end up being, what is that going to be? So that becomes negative 5/3. Negative 5/3 up into the numerator. And now, of course, we want to try to clean this up as much as we can. And I'm kind of actually running out of time here, so I'm going to do what I can. Y prime is equal to, we're going to multiply this together. We're going to end up with a negative. Okay, so we end up with negative 1/3 times x to the, that should be negative 5/3 up here in the numerator. Okay, which I need to write.